Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Alison. Today, we're gonna just be baking, and we're also gonna be making some molds in here, and then after we're gonna make my brother's breakfast. So first, let's heat some white chocolate chips up. But you don't need to use white chocolate chips, it's just my favorite. So, let's get going. I'm gonna try to put it in for 19. There we go. Yay! Chocolate, chocolate, chocolate. Chocolate. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Beep, beep. Ding, ding. Ding, ding. Mommy tells me to mix it. Let me see. Got our white chocolate chips. Nice. Mix, mix, mix. Mix, mix. Back in the microwave. Whip. Here we go. Time to put them in. Again. While we wait for that, I want to show you the cupcakes that I have for the girl. I'm going to show you the things that we have for girlfriend club. We have these little cake pops. We're going to dip them in chocolate and decorate them at girlfriend club. And look at that, the timer. It's open. And now we're just going to start. I am still in like pajamas. It's a bit early. Ooh, yeah, we're getting somewhere. Look at this. Starting to get somewhere. It's sticking to the spoon. Tip number 1, your fingers are the best at getting things off things. But we still need it to be more melted. Good. Bring it back. I forgot to say something. Make sure to like and subscribe. And hit that notification. Timer set off, but no one. Start. My sister calls me crazy, but I don't think so. Well, I'm making a YouTube video. Check out all my sister's YouTube videos. The channel is Layla, but make sure to like, subscribe to her channel too. Sometimes we mostly make videos together, but sometimes we make videos alone. She made a lot of videos alone. I made a lot of videos with her because I like being with her. She said she may look a bit gross. She hasn't showered in a week. Ooh, yeah. Yeah. All melted. Let's go put it in the mold. We're only gonna do 2, and then we're gonna fill the other one with something else. This is gonna be so cute. Yeah, I think I may only have enough to do 1. Okay, time to clean up the edges. We have to make more. Let's go make more. Let me go grab some. Kidding. Me get chocolate. Me get gummies. Today's sugar day, so I'm getting a lot of sugar. I think today's sugar day. I'm not sure what the day is, but I want it to be sugar day, so I'm gonna make it the sugar day. By having lots of sugar. Hi. I don't know what I'm doing. She wants to show off her silky smooth hair. No, my hair is not silky smooth. Alison, you gotta have enough for girlfriend club, and you're not gonna have enough. There's a whole nother bag. Yeah, but we're making different colors. So stop. Tell Layla to stop, guys. Alison, you gotta have enough for girlfriend club. Fine, let me find something else. You messed it up! No, there was just like a little piece right here. And then you get. She's weird. It's true, she did mess it up. Okay, we're gonna do frozen yogurt instead since we were only choosing more chocolate chips. She's a meanie McStinky pants. What? Good. This. Yeah. Yay. like chocolate. It's just not. It's gonna be frozen yogurt. And me love frozen yogurt. Yay! We need to clean this room. Okay, let's get started. Mommy said she'd get me icy today. Maybe she'd get me one at you. Me go open freezer. There's no room in the freezer. Yes, there is. Stop. No. No. Just silly God. That's not what. You have to mess it up. This is so annoying. You don't get the rest of this. You don't get the rest of your sandwich. I don't even. Yeah, this is how we act. Alison, why did you have to break it? It was freezing just fine. So I'm not forgiven. Okay. And your YouTube channel. My YouTube channel is more weird than mine. You're the one who makes a YouTube video out of every single little thing, even when we're just playing. So your YouTube channel is weird.
Alison, go put some special shoes on. And did you wear that yesterday?
It's okay. Me charge it. Here's my way. Squat. Jump! Hoverboard. We gotta turn this off. Peekaboo. So that's all for today's video. Thank you so much for watching.